In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix the unable to join party error in Fortnite Chapter 7. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, it can be really annoying whenever you're trying to join someone, like for example, like I request to join someone and then whenever they accept it, it's trying to get me in, but it says join party error. That could be very frustrating. So one thing you could try to do to reset any glitch that's happening is go to the game tab right here, change your matchmaking region to something different like, NA East or anything, wherever you're not basically, and then switch it back to your main region. You can also try and just restart your game because a lot of the times it is just a simple bug. Restart your game, go back in and then try and do that. And another thing is sometimes whenever anyone is in a creative lobby or anything like that, it won't let you join the party for some reason. So just ask them to back out to the main menu again and then try and join them, and then it should work. But yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe and check out our other Fortnite Chapter 7 videos over on the channel.